Welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is mixed veg curry. This mixed veg curry recipe that I am sharing with you guys today, it is the restaurant style mixed veg curry. It is very simple and very easy to make. Since it's so simple and so easy to make, I would definitely suggest you guys to try it out. So to make our mixed vegetable recipe, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Firstly, here I am taking around 3 tomatoes which I have chopped, around 10 to 12 beans which I have chopped into diamond shapes like this, 2 medium-sized onions which I have chopped, around 50 grams of gobi which I have blanched in hot water for about a minute, and carrots which I have chopped into big juliennes like this, around 100 grams of paneer which I have cut into cubes like this, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 2 tablespoons of oil. In khada masalas, I have taken about half an inch of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves, that is dalchini, elaichi and long. Salt to taste, about half a capsicum which I have chopped into dices like this. Chillies, 1 inch of ginger and around 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, half a tablespoon of garam masala. So to make our vegetable masala or our mixed veg curry, first heat our cooker. Once our cooker is heated, we'll add in about 1 teaspoon of ghee into this. Once the ghee melts, we'll add in our khada masalas. Once your khada masalas release its oil, add in our aromatics, that's the garlic, ginger and our chili. Saute it for about just 10 seconds. Keep the flame on medium while doing this. Then we'll add in the onion. Saute the onion also for about 10 seconds. Add in our tomatoes. Stir it well. Stir about 10 seconds after you add your tomatoes. Add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. In the ingredients, I forgot to mention to you guys around 4 to 5 cashews which are chopped. I am using them. So we'll add in the cashews. Now we'll close the cooker lid and we'll boil it for about 2 whistles on medium flame. After about 2 whistles, we'll turn off our heat and we'll let the cooker cool down. We'll move on to the next step of making our mixed vegetable curry while our cooker is cooling down. That is, first we'll have to heat our pan. Once the pan is heated, we will add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we'll heat the oil. Our oil is heated, we'll add in the beans and we'll saute the beans about a minute or two for about 2 to 3 minutes to medium flame. You can keep your flame on high if you're used to cooking. If you're new to cooking, please keep it on medium. After about 3 minutes, once our beans are sauteed and changed their color, we'll add in our carrots. I'm using 1 medium-sized carrot here. Saute your carrot for about 2 minutes. Now, after about 2 minutes, we'll add in our gobi, which we had blanched. We'll saute our gobi also for about 1 minute to 2. Once you're done sauteing your gobi for 2 minutes, next we'll add in our capsicum. Saute your capsicum for about a minute or 2. Once you saute your capsicum for about a minute, we'll turn off the heat. We'll keep this aside and we'll go ahead and look back into our cooker. Now our cooker has released all its pressure. Now we'll just take a look at it. Yeah, our tomatoes and onions have turned nice and mushy. So now we'll drain off all the excess water and we'll put this onion and tomato mixture into a blender jar and blend it finely. If you want, you can even take out the khada masalas that are there that we have added. I'm just going to take out the cinnamon. The rest of the khada masala, I'll just leave it just like that. Alright, so this is how the puree should look once you have blended it into your blender jar. Now we'll move on to the next process of making our mixed veg curry. So now moving on to the next process. First again we'll have to heat the similar pan. I'm using the similar pan in which I cooked my vegetables in. Once our pan is heated, we will add in some oil. Once our pan is heated and our oil is heated, we'll add in this gravy. Keep your flame on medium while you're doing this. You give it a nice mix. We'll add in our garam masala, half a teaspoon of kasuri methi and mix this. We'll close the lid. We'll let it cook for about 2 minutes. About 2 minutes, we'll just lift the lid. Been bubbling down really well. So now add in the water in which we boiled the tomatoes in. 1/4 cup of water. salt to taste. So add in our vegetables. Give this a nice mix. At this point, just taste your curry. If you feel it's too spicy, then just add about 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of sugar. This is fine for my taste. So now we'll again close the lid and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Now after about 4 to 5 minutes, we just lift the lid. Yeah, our curry has been bubbling well and it's come together really well. Now it's time to add in our paneer and the remaining kasuri methi and give it all a nice mix. Now after you add your paneer, just let it cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. Now once your curry starts bubbling, as you can see it's bubbling down here. So now we'll just turn off our heat and we'll transfer this into our serving bowl. We'll garnish it with some methi leaves. So there you go, our mixed vegetable curry is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, and also do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button, so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.